Hello friends, welcome to this channel. Today we will learn that how to record a BDC, okay, in SAP. So let's start. The T code is to record a BDC SHDB. T code is SHDB. Okay, you need to put a name of your recording. So click on new recording. Recording. You can put any name of your recording. Suppose I am going to record the BDC 40 code F-02. F-02 means to pass a general entry in SAP. Entry in SAP. So I will put the name of my recording as Z F-02. Okay. After that, the system is asking about transaction code. Earlier I have told you that I am going to record the transaction in F-02. So the transaction code also be F-02. Press enter, or you can also press start recording in display message. Okay. So system is asking the document date. In which date you want to pass the JV through F-02. So today is 30 August. I will put 30 August 2024 as document date. Type. Type is SA. Okay. Company code. Again I am telling all of you that I will use AON as a company code because I am working for AON. So I will put AON as a company code. Currency rate INR means Indian currency. Okay. Reference testing JV. Document header test general journal voucher. Okay. The system is asking posting key debit. 40 represents to debit. Okay. Here you need to select a GL. Here is miscellaneous expenses. Okay. Any type of GL you can take while you are passing the journal entry. Okay. I am taking miscellaneous expenses. Okay. Press enter. Now amount. Suppose I am going to post a JB of rupees 1000. So I will put rupees 1000 in amount column. Text journal voucher entry. Okay. Now I will go to do credit. Okay, because I use debit to debit the miscellaneous expenses. Now credit. Here I am just picking a bank GL, means I am booking a expenses in GL. Okay. Bank account. Here is the GL number of 14 times 01. Press enter again. Again amount. Press enter. System is asking about value date. Okay, put the value date 29th August 2024. Now please press F4. Don't click on document and simulate. please keep remember while you are recording any you are preparing any BDC, please ignore to use these tabs. Okay, all the function will be dealt by your laptop or desktop only. Okay, please press F10 to get simulated the screen, then please press shift plus F9. Here you can see the entry miscellaneous expenses debit and bank account credited. Okay, now just press Ctrl S, then press save. Here you can see our BDC has recorded now. Okay, you can see the field name here, our BDC is available. I hope you all will learn this transaction code in SAP. If you like my videos, please press like, share, and comment. Okay, thank you very much guys. We will meet you soon with